In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove team access to your Mailchimp account. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, having control over who can access your Mailchimp account is crucial. Let's dive right into the process, starting with adding a team member to your account. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to mailchimp.com and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and navigate to Account and Billing. This section is your hub for managing various account settings. Next, we move on to Managing Users. Under the Settings tab, you'll find an option labeled Users. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can view all team members currently associated with your account. To add a new user, look for the Invite a User button. This is your gateway to bringing someone new into your Mailchimp team. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you'd like to invite. Take care to ensure that you have the correct email, as this is where the invitation will be sent. Once you've input the email, it's time to decide what level of access you want this person to have. Mailchimp offers several user roles: viewer, who can view reports and campaigns without making any changes; author, who can create and edit campaigns but not send them; manager, who can handle creating, editing and sending campaigns; and admin, who has full access including to billing information. Choose the role that best fits the responsibility you want to entrust to this user. Once you've set the role and are ready to proceed, click on the Send Invite button. The person will then receive an email invitation to join your Mailchimp account. They will need to accept this invitation by clicking on the link provided in the email and logging in, or creating a Mailchimp account if they don't already have one. Now let's cover how you can remove a team member from your account. Begin by clicking on your profile icon again, this time in the lower left corner of the screen. Select Account and Billing just as we did earlier. Navigate to Settings and then select Users. You will see the list of current team members. Find the person you wish to remove and click on the Revoke Access button next to their name. A prompt will appear to confirm this action. Confirm the removal and their access will be withdrawn. That's how you manage team access on your Mailchimp account. By following these steps, you can ensure that the right people have the right level of access to your account, keeping your campaigns running smoothly and securely. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.